Hi, my name is Debbie Hill, Solution Consultant with NetSuite, and welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess pre-recorded demonstrations for wholesale distribution. In this video, I assume the role of a sales representative and focus on the Customer 360. You will notice that with NetSuite, we have a pre-built customer dashboard including focused KPIs and reporting. We have an embedded CRM within the ERP, providing seamless connectivity across inventory, production, and sales, all the while providing a single source of truth for all customer-related information. Now let's transition into the Customer 360 demonstration in NetSuite. I am logged into NetSuite as a sales representative. Notice my role-based dashboard. Everything you see here is provided out of the box with SuiteSuccess. NetSuite puts a lot of focus on boosting productivity by way of the dashboard. We aim to have a majority of daily activities initiated directly from here. So as a sales rep, when I log into NetSuite, I immediately see all of my key information right on my dashboard. I can compare my sales, track my top 15 customers by sales, and see all of my custom reminders alerting me to items that need immediate attention. After seeing what needs attention, the actionable dashboard lets me click into the details or easily perform a new independent task. Let's say I receive a phone call from Sally, the executive assistant at Smith Supplies, one of our best customers. Not to brag, but I have a lot of customers in my territory, so it helps to quickly pull up background information so that I can have an informed conversation with Sally. In my old system, I would have to dig into reporting and customer master files just to find my customer. With NetSuite, it's as easy and intuitive as using your favorite search engine. This quickly makes my team very comfortable using NetSuite, helping my organization realize value sooner. The search immediately reminds me of who Sally is, the executive assistant over at Smith Supplies. She is inquiring whether we received her most recent payment. Let's go ahead and take a high-level look. NetSuite quickly shows me the customer dashboard, giving me real-time, customer-specific context and real-time information to help me pivot or negotiate intelligently while on the phone or in a customer-facing meeting. Often, I end up knowing more about their account than they do, because I have a complete history of everything, all cases, open, closed, and escalated, all orders, all returns, and outstanding balances. A more informed sales representative builds closer relationships with customers and ultimately produces more revenue, helping the organization grow. Let's drill into more customer detail. NetSuite allows each customer record to have an unlimited list of contacts. I can see that Sally is on the contact list for our customer. That's why she appeared in my original search. In addition, Smith Supplies could also have sub-customers, allowing me to manage all contacts in one area and maintain complex customer hierarchies. To ensure I am fully informed, I can pivot and see all the communications sent to Smith Supplies. I see that they communicate primarily via email, and NetSuite CRM automatically files emails to and from Sally, Paul, Kevin, and anyone else listed from Smith Supplies. Starting with myself in sales and moving through warehouse and accounting, all communication is fully integrated and done automatically within NetSuite. There is no disconnect internally. We have full visibility to what the customer has been told, and everyone can analyze what is going on. This also includes easy access to customer contracts and documents. I no longer need to dig through my email, my shared drive or local drive, or make phone calls just to see what interactions and documentations we have with the customer. All of this detail is immediately available in real time, saving me and my team's time and headaches, not to mention being able to provide better customer service with a more informed perspective. Back to the original call. Sally is wondering if we had received the most recent payment. Taking a look here, I can see we did, and it has been deposited. However, I also see that Smith Supplies still has an open balance. They are a good customer, so I'm not too worried. Their open balances aren't past 90 days, and they're nowhere near their credit limit. If Smith Supplies had violated their term agreements with us, NetSuite would automatically place them on hold for me, so I don't have to remember everyone's specific terms. To further facilitate my sales, I can encourage customers to leave a credit card on file. Sally is happy to have confirmed the payment was received, and more importantly, feels that she is in good hands with us and the customer service we provide. I could encourage Sally to be proactive, using the NetSuite's Customer Center portal that is activated by a simple checkbox. This allows her to immediately see all Smith Supplies information, print statements, make payments, see orders and quotes, and support cases. Having access to this portal would have empowered her to see the deposit confirmation independently, but this time it was pleasant to have a quick phone call.